Stocking the freezer for postpartum part 4, casserole edition. These ingredients will be chicken bacon ranch casserole and this buffalo chicken pasta bake. Let's go. All of these casseroles make for perfect, delicious, high protein dinners that are easy to prep. So here's the 3: cheeseburger casserole, buffalo chicken casserole, and chicken bacon ranch casserole. To store all of these casseroles, I decided to use these small aluminum foil storage containers. My reasoning is because since 2 of us will be eating at the same time, these are the perfect size for us for mealtime. All we'll need to do is take one small container from the freezer and pop it in the oven for the correct cook time, and it'll be the perfect amount. You could put the entire recipe in a bigger container like 11 by 13 if you're a larger family, or those portions would work better for you. Also, note that I 1.5 the recipes to get hefty servings because I know postpartum me will be extra hungry and these recipes are also so yummy. Don't forget to label everything so you know what it is. You can add the date you prepped and cooking instructions too. Honestly, these recipes were so easy to prep because I didn't use the oven and all I did was mix everything together and then split into containers. So here's our final recap. We have chicken bacon ranch casserole, cheeseburger casserole, and buffalo chicken pasta bake. And then I just slide these into the freezer and future us will be so happy to have yummy meals ready to go. Follow along to see what we make next.